Hey everybody, it's a Ginger Optimist, and today I'm going to show you how to make spaghetti pizza in the air fryer. Let's do it. I have invited my friend Bianca to help me today. Come on in, Bianca.
Hi guys.
So I'm excited to have her with me today.
I'm excited.
Have you ever used an air fryer?
No, guys, I've never used an air fryer, ever. So this is going to be a new experience. I'm excited.
All right, so let's do it. I've already put parchment paper in the bottom of my springform pan. Now I'm going to spray it with olive oil cooking spray. And instead of using pizza dough, I'm going to use angel hair pasta that's already cooked.
Now what does that do?
This is in place of pizza dough. This is going to be your dough.
Really?
Yeah.
Okay.
If you would like your spaghetti noodles to be more like a crust, then what you would do is beat an egg, mix it in with the noodles, a little milk, and some of the mozzarella cheese, stir it together, lay it out in your pan, and then layer from that point on. If you don't have an air fryer, don't be discouraged. You can make this in your oven. So let's just get that spread around.
Nice even layer at the bottom.
Yeah.
Okay. I've never used spaghetti in place of pizza dough. That is a new concept for me.
Okay, so that's all spread around there. Now we're gonna add the sauce, marinara sauce. And I like a lot of sauce. So I've spread the sauce around. You can use as much sauce as you like. Now I'm gonna put a little crushed red pepper. Oh goodness, that just fell all in one spot. Let's spread that out so we don't burn our mouth on one bite.
Wow, that actually looks really good.
Thanks. All right, so we've got the noodles in, we've got the marinara sauce and the crushed red pepper, which is obviously optional. Now we're gonna put our shredded fresh mozzarella cheese on. Gotta love that cheese.
Oh my goodness.
We've got our cheese on there. Now I'm going to put fresh diced and cleaned mushrooms.
And you're sure that this is gonna cook completely in the air fryer?
Yes, absolutely. Okay. Got those mushrooms on, so let's get the pineapple on. And now I have fresh cut basil from my herb garden. I'm gonna set this down inside my air fryer very carefully. Let's put it inside. And we're gonna put this on 370 degrees Fahrenheit for, let's do 6 minutes. Now we're gonna let it do its thing. After about 3 minutes, we'll come back and check it every couple of minutes. Our timer just went off, so let's check the pizza. Ooh, look at that. I think I wanna give it 1 more minute.
Oh my stars, that looks amazing.
Can you see it?
Is it sliding?
Yeah, it's sliding.
Okay.
Let's give it 1 more minute. I might do 2 minutes. It looks pretty good, but I just want to make sure it's really good and done. Are you ready to see this?
I'm so ready.
Look at that.
Guys, it looks amazing.
Can you see how yummy that looks?
I can actually grab that.
Okay, and this is how you get the parchment paper out from underneath it. Just gently slide. Are you ready to give this a taste test?
I am so ready. That looks so good and it smells fantastic.
Here's yours. I'm gonna get a little bit for me.
Okay. Here we go.
Yum.
So good. You definitely have to try this.
I'll leave the recipe down below, and if you have any questions or comments, please feel free to put them. I'd love to connect with you. I'll also leave a link where you can find an air fryer like mine. Thank you so much for watching the Ginger Optimist. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, consider hitting that like button. If you're not following me already, I sure hope you will. Have a great rest of your day, my friend, and I'll see you on the next video. God bless.